What's going on, duck hunters, deer hunters, and fishermen? I figured while I was right here close, I'd go ahead and make another video so we can see y'all can see how busy Marriott, Saline, and the old bear joint access is. Just pulled up here, and while I was sitting here, two duck hunters pulled out, like two different trucks and boats. So I figured we would run down here and make another quick video. In case you can't tell, that's the Washita River Bridge right there. So this is right here off of Highway 82. It's probably the closest boat ramp to the main highway between Strong and Crossett. Like I said, I thought I'd come down here real quick and make a quick video, because like I said in the past few videos, right now is going to be the busiest time of year, and as you can see, there's 5-6 trucks over there. Most of those are flat bottom boat trailers. I seen one that might be like a bass boat trailer. I mean, if you're wondering how I can tell that, I've been hunting and fishing my whole life. I just turned 35. So, I mean, it's something that stands out to me that might not stand out to everybody. So I just kind of try to point stuff out like that. So far, there's nobody down here camping, despite the fact that they could be. Really, what I'm trying to do with these videos is trying to raise awareness that there is a good place to duck hunt right here in South Arkansas, because I know people that live kind of close. Yeah, we got a lot of duck hunters. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looks like about 10 or 11. There's one coming in on the river right now. 10 or 11 trucks with trailers. There's no one down at the end, so I'm just going to turn around real quick. That looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for sure trucks with boat trailers, and look like 3 or 4 trucks without boat trailers, which is probably people that either met somebody down here or followed somebody down here to go duck hunting, is usually what that is. Especially being parked at the boat ramp. If they was actually deer hunting or something, they'd be parked probably close to the trail. But just kind of wanted to bring you guys an update on that, give you an idea of what the busiest time of the year for this area looks like. Y'all guys have a nice day and stay safe.